Your shipment is on the move. It's a long haul across state lines, but Stan is ready for the road. He's built for it. He finally arrives at his destination, safely and according to plan. It's now time to get some well-deserved shut-eye. By the looks of things, he definitely needs his beauty sleep. It's a typical workday, and Maggie needs to know if her load was delivered. It's busy, customers are waiting, and the phones are ringing off the hook. Finding out where the load is should be easy though. All she has to do is call Stan the driver. No worries, we'll try him again. Okay, well, third time's a charm, right?
There's gotta be a better way.
There is, and it's Alvys. Alvys automatically sends your truck's location updates to your phone and email address and allows you to receive notifications on any truck falling behind schedule. Your customers can also check the status of their load without you having to call your dispatchers or drivers. In a world where time is money, get access to the information you need without the unwanted wait time. We know being on the road is a 24-hour job where every second counts. Let's help you manage your time and your trucks better. Alvys, your tracking and tracing solution.